Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for those that are impacted and are wondering, since roughly 9:30 a.m. this morning, Eastern Time, Verizon is having a major outage. It affects anywhere between 100 and 200,000 customers. What happens is that your iPhone or your Android phone will go into SOS mode. So this is a problem that they are working on. Apparently, some might see already a fix, and phones might start working again. But there's still a lot of people that apparently can't really make their phone calls. Little trick: if you do want to call someone, you can use the Wi-Fi calling feature on these phones, and that apparently works, and you're being able to contact anybody. But if you're on the cellular data network and we're trying to make a call for now, it's kind of impossible for a lot of users. So hang in there. Verizon is looking into it, trying to find what happened. I always look at these and always find it interesting to see that it's often a little configuration error from someone somewhere on the network, and suddenly things go really bad. So, this is why I personally have several different companies for several different things. Often, if one fails, you got other choices. So if you can't make a call and your phone for some weird reason is in SOS mode, should be fixed at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.